Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this MdnMd Tutu Leotard I got for my daughter. It is so cute. I got this for her birthday last year. So she has had this for probably 8 months at least, and it has held up so great. It is machine washable. The fabric of the leotard is 92% cotton and 8% spandex. So it's really stretchy and really form-fitting. It is just a one piece, so it's got this little part on the bottom here where her legs go through. It is a scoop neck. So the scoop neck is how you put it on. It's just a pull-on little tutu. This material is tulle, and there's actually 3 different layers of it. The top layer has these little sparkles, and she just absolutely loves it. It has held up so perfectly and been so cute for her. She goes to school, comes home, puts this on, and twirls around the house all day long. So I think it would be perfect if you have a little girl that loves ballet, if you just want something easy, something you could throw in the washing machine and still have it hold up really well. I think this would be absolutely perfect for you. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.